So are we ready for this?
Yeah.
Are we ready for this? Yep, our Goodwill is open today. What is going on with this thing? My key is out. It shouldn't be doing that. That is weird. Okay, guys. After a whole year of waiting, the Goodwill Outlet in Rogers, Arkansas is finally back open, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be cool.
I was thinking, man, that's crazy. I put mine in my bag, but I don't have shit. There's no way.
Look, it's full.
It's like, if it breaks, I can't replace it. You know, but it's one of them, you know, clothes, okay. $2 item or something like that. Yeah.
It's bigger. Yes, Goodwill! Woohoo! Oh, there you go. Give it a high five. Woohoo! It's almost time, y'all. Yes, it is.
It's pretty. I like it. Yeah, I do like it.
I don't see any prices listed.
This location was forced to close 367 days ago on May 26th, when an EF2 tornado struck Rogers and damaged this building. The damage was extensive, but our commitment to serving this community never wavered. Today we open stronger and better, more dedicated than ever to our mission of changing lives through education, training, and employment.
Hey, awesome. Sweet. All right, thank you. All right, well, yeah, so all the Benny Bin stuffs. We got lots of stuff to go through. Yay. Okay, guys, we stopped at McDonald's to get some lunch real quick because we were starving. But that was an interesting thing. We got there about 7:20. We knew the lines were going to be super long, and they were. They went all the way around the building. And we got out with these 2 bags, and we paid $20 and something cents. So not too bad. Got a few things that are fun and a few things that are useful. First thing, we got this cute little treasure box. My grandson is 3, and he's all about treasure and stuff right now, so that was pretty cool, I thought. And I found a whole set, I think it's just about a whole set of the Miniverse. I don't remember which one this is. It's like the plants. The one was with the big set with the Garden Grow or something like that. But it has all the pieces just about. I think there's like 1 or 2 little pieces missing, but so I'm really excited about that. It's new, it's never been used. Okay, and I got this set of door sealers. I need that for my front door, so I thought that was pretty cool. Picked this up for parts to cut off and kit bash a lightsaber. I thought that was pretty cool. Got some bags for organizing, and then some Wednesday Addams balloons, and some more organizers. Those are like the little fold-up boxes for ephemera and stuff. There's a bunch of them in there. Those are going to be awesome for putting my paper ephemera for my scrapbooking in. I picked up some vintage Halloween cookie cutters, all different kinds. Thought those were cool. A little bit of vintage sewing stuff. There's some velvet ribbon and buttons and cute stuff in there. we found this Harry Potter doll broom. That'll go cool with the set. Found a dragon. A dragon dinosaur sort of thing.
Wyvern.
Wyvern, yeah. You know, a few little odds and ends. Some little Star Wars bits and pieces. Some more vintage stuff. And some floral tape. I forgot to tell you, I got the floral tape. He was actually needing that for a project. And I was like, oh, I found it. And I forgot to tell you I had it. And then he found me the little Star Wars lightsaber. And then a vintage Halloween jack-o'-lantern. This usually came on a stick. I have one that has a stick at home, but it's like in really bad condition. But I may take the stick off of it and put it on this one because this one's in really good shape. Oh, I got some little miniature pistons. I'm going to use those for a Star Wars project. Got some old twine on a spool. Found some cool lucite candlesticks. And just some odds and ends, some ghosty things. Did you see the ghost? That kind of reminded me of your thing in your room. So I got all that. And then we got a vintage, a really old quilt that I'm going to use to cut up for some projects because it's got a bunch of holes. And two of my favorite things, Halloween and Star Wars. I mean, how cool is that fabric? It's got like little spiders on it, and you know, C-3PO is like a skeleton, and I mean, come on, how cool is that? And then he found these cool things. Look how cute they are! Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. I love it. That's definitely going on our Halloween tree. And then, oh my gosh, look at all of the Legos.
Pokemon.
Heck yeah. All kinds of stuff.
The stuff.
Did you see this?
I saw that. It's cute.
Yeah.
Builder guys are gonna be
I think I found a Pokemon too. It's a little one.
Yeah, it was
somewhere.
a little Squirtle. I saw it earlier.
Yeah. So just like lots of.
Oh, this. I forgot about this. That's going on my bag.
Some
and of course.
fidgets. And the baby eraser, which is super cute. We have a Daiso Japan coming. I think he said that's the kind of stuff you can find there. It's like, that's really cute.
Little ducks.
Oh yeah, the little wooden ducks. Those are super cute. So yeah. Oh yeah, there's Squirtle. Cute Squirtle.
Different miniatures.
Lots of stuff.
My Ninja Turtle Smencil.
A Smencil, yeah. All right, so yeah, there's a lot of stuff, and pretty happy about the $20 price tag. So that's pretty cool. I mean, if you bought Legos, it'd be way more than $20 just for this amount of Legos. So he's pretty excited. So yay! Okay, so I thought this set was missing something, but after I put it together, it's actually not. Like, everything is here. The instructions, all of the bags of soil, all of these, all of the materials that came with it, all of the plants are accounted for, both of the waters, and then all three of these, and then all of those. So yay! That was an awesome score in the Goodwill bins. Like, I really was not expecting that. So that was really awesome. So yay, now I get to make some cool little mini-verse. So excited about that. Show us your good ones.
So we got the brick separated.
Sweet.
We got this girl who is complete.
Cool.
We got a couple semi-incomplete dinosaur Jurassic Park figures.
Awesome.
And then we got some Ninjago figures.
Sweet.
And we got some like neck parts, like some half arms, like that was a Spider-Man one.
Right.
There's some like hands.
A little bit of everything.
Different shields and stuff like that. Like these pieces are Jurassic Park.
Awesome.
That's pretty cool.
Lots of random things you can build with, huh? Sweet.